Okay, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Sarnia, Ontario. We're just doing repair to a flat roof here. I got the little guy with me for the first time, so I figured I'll show you guys one part of my family. Say hello. So, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're in Sarnia, Ontario, doing repair to a flat roof. So I'll show you what it looks like, show you how to do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we've come up onto the roof. You can see the roof. It's a regular 4-ply built-up roof with pea stones on top. I'll show you the repair area back here. So this was the repair area. We basically swept the stone, we've spun it around so we get down to the felt so we can do our proper tie-in. And our issues were here, the whole roof is pretty saturated. We're having water just filter in through different holes in the roof and maybe through the felts also. So we ended up expanding the repair area, and we're going to cover, basically give them a new patch on top and seal it properly. So we've spudded the gravel, we moved the stone, put some new sopaboard down, and away we go. We're going to show you what it looks like. Really no tricky details in this roof. We initially thought the leaks were coming from the wall section, but after coming up here and doing some investigation, we noticed it's pretty much located in that area. So that's where the repair area is going to be, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're a couple hours into the job. We have the sopaboard down, we have the base sheet down, primed it nicely. We've cleaned and spudded the area around. And what we've done, we've added some asphalt, basically a primer. So it's going to reactivate the old asphalt that was in the existing fibers or existing felts and get it basically lively again. So you can see where we're at now. So this is our patch repair. Remember, all this area, we did a cut test. It was pretty wet. It was pretty saturated actually. So we knew, we had an idea where it was coming from. We also found an area here. You can see these are the mod bit flashings. These are flashing membranes. You can see it's actually coming loose. I can put my hand and it's actually pretty wet right underneath the old roof. So we're going to repair that. We just found some areas around the roof, so we're going to repair that and go from there. So we got some cap sheet to put on, repair the edges, and basically clean up. So I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Thanks. Okay, we finished up. Job really turned out nice. I think the client's going to be thrilled. We stopped his leaks, and basically the area where the water was saturated through the felts, we gave it a new basically roof covering. So there you go, take a look at it. If you're not looking at re-roofing your whole roof at the time, this is definitely a good economic way of solving things. We also given him repair. We saw his mod bit flashings around the edges with fish mouthing, means it opens at the rim and water's able to get through. We've sealed that up nicely. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Today we're in Sarnia doing a repair. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, or you can find us online at legacyroofs.com.